Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for business. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform designed to help entrepreneurs like you launch and grow an online store. It simplifies the process of selling products, whether physical or digital, by providing a comprehensive suite of tools. You can manage everything from your website design to secure payment processing, all from one central dashboard. It's a fantastic solution for anyone looking to establish a strong online presence and reach a wider customer base. Setting up your Shopify store is straightforward and exciting. First, you'll choose a plan that fits your business needs, with basic options starting at about $29 per month. Then, personalize your store's look by selecting a professional theme from the Shopify theme store. You can easily customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Don't forget to add crucial pages like About Us and Contact to provide important information to your customers. Finally, configure your shipping and tax settings to prepare for sales. Managing your products and orders on Shopify is intuitive. Begin by adding your products, including compelling descriptions, multiple high-resolution images, and accurate pricing. Organize them into collections, such as new arrivals or bestsellers, to enhance the customer shopping experience. When an order comes in, Shopify guides you through the fulfillment process, from packing to printing shipping labels. You can also easily track your inventory, ensuring you always know what's in stock and avoiding any potential overselling issues. Growing your business with Shopify involves smart marketing strategies. Leverage Shopify's integrated tools to create enticing discount codes and gift cards, encouraging repeat purchases. Connect your store to popular social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and engage with a wider audience. Implement effective email marketing campaigns to keep customers informed about new products and promotions. Regularly review your sales analytics and customer insights to make data-driven decisions, and continuously optimize your business for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.